This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ronald Haywood. Grounds and pool maintenance as well as garbage pickup included in rent. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-full-bath home is nestled in the highly sought-after community of Summerport. Great detail and effort has been put into every aspect of this home. From the moment you enter, you are greeted by the gorgeous formal living room and expansive staircase finished in dark cherry wood. The large kitchen is perfect for entertaining, complete with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a beautiful wine alcove with a wine rack and its own wine refrigerator. The family room and office have views of the pool area and Caywood Pond. Upstairs, the oversized master bedroom has a large walk-in closet, as well as a very special feature, its own balcony giving you a commanding view over the front of the home. The master bedroom windows grant beautiful views of the water, and the large master bath features a garden tub, separate shower, and separate dual sinks. Bedrooms 1 and 2 feature a Jack and Jill bathroom. And bedroom 3 has an ensuite bathroom. All bedrooms contain ceiling fans and feature luxurious carpeting. Stepping out into the large screen enclosed pool area, you have a beautiful area for entertaining year-round. Take in the views of Caywood Pond while enjoying a dip in the heated pool or relieving stress in the spa. The back of the home features your own mini courtyard complete with a table and chairs to enjoy some quiet time overlooking the pond. Or if you would rather get closer to the water, follow the winding brick-paved path down to your own private dock. One of only 2 private docks on Caywood Pond. Recharge your batteries on this special private dock with room enough for family and friends. Whether you are looking for a home to entertain guests or wind down after a long day, this home will accommodate your needs. While this home feels like you are getting away for a vacation every time you enter, this quiet Windermere community is centrally located with nearby shopping, dining, theme parks and more. Hurry, as this will not last long. Updated images of pool coming soon. For more information, review the details below.